Hey guys, welcome back to Cook You Bastards, helping newbies kick ass in the kitchen. As you probably guessed by now, this is my humble little tribute to the late great Anthony Bourdain. He certainly inspired me professionally and personally because I probably would never have launched this channel if it wasn't for him. And I don't think I'm the only creator who feels that way. I never had a chance to meet the guy, but you know, his persona on TV really touched a lot of nerves for me. And from the people I've talked to who did get a chance to meet him or work with him, that was pretty much who he was. So it's a damn shame. He'll be missed. And I don't kid myself that he would have anything good to say about, you know, my hack efforts here. But that doesn't change the fact that he was and will continue to be a huge inspiration to me. So without further ado, I'm going to make kind of a fucked up version. And again, I don't kid myself that he would like it, of his meatball parm from his first cookbook, Appetites. Let's get to it. First, we have 1 medium yellow onion, finely diced, 4 to 6 garlic cloves, finely diced. I got about 6 sprigs of fresh oregano, leaves only, chopped, and 10 to 12 sprigs of Italian parsley, leaves only, finely chopped. I'm gonna put all those in the biggest saute pan I've got, with a few tablespoons of olive oil, add a little salt and pepper, and I'm going to saute them under kind of medium to low heat until the onions are sweated, they're translucent, they're soft. I don't want anything to brown. Take that stuff off. Clean the pan. All right, now he uses a pretty traditional mixture of a pound of beef, a pound of pork, and a pound of veal. I don't do veal. I don't like it, and it's one of those things that might be kind of hard to find. So for a Cook You Bastards cook, I'm going to leave it out. So instead of a pound, I'll do 1.5 pounds of each one of those. Mix them together. Add 1 cup of panko, 2 eggs, slightly beaten, and the veggies, and mix it all up by hand. Roll those out into about 2-inch meatballs. My measurements, not so good. Supposed to have like 25 to 30. I didn't quite get there, but it's okay. So cover these with plastic wrap and put them in the fridge for a while so they firm up. Going to brown the meatballs in oil over medium to high heat. They don't have to be cooked. We just want the outsides to get nice color and a crust. If you need more oil, add more oil. All right, take all those, put them in a roasting pan. My roasting pan looks like shit, so I covered it with foil. I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of dry white wine and 1 cup of like a good marinara sauce. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Bake those off for like 30 minutes, and now you want them to be cooked through, so use your instant read thermometer. Remember my episode on those. Make sure that they're 150 degrees in the middle. A nice big saucepan, we're gonna warm up another 3 cups of the marinara sauce. Then when the meatballs are done, take them out of the oven, set it on broil. And here he specifically says seeded semolina rolls. I tried, man, I tried. But the place I went to that I was sure would have them was sold out. So I got regular old, hero rolls. Slice them in half. All right, put the bottoms on a sheet pan, meatballs, sauce, mozzarella, and nice Parmigiano Reggiano. Not the fake stuff, not the farts in the green can. Broil them off and serve them up. All right, guys, so here we are, the moment of truth. Chef Bourdain's meatball sandwich, best as I could. Man. Wow. I know I didn't make it the way I was supposed to, but that is still hands down the best meatball I've ever had. It's really good. I would even throw some of the sauce it was cooking in on there instead of the new sauce. Wow, it's got a lot of flavor. It's light, still moist. It's such a good recipe, even I couldn't screw it up. So there we are. I'm gonna pour one out for Chef, and Cheers, guys. This is amazing. Wow.